Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I still think this is likely the end of a correction down here, which means I still think it's likely going to go up and take out the highs on this time frame. Now, tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so basically whatever happens over the next 24 hours is very likely just setting itself up for the news tomorrow. And because I'm definitely bullish on these higher time frames, and to me it looks like impulsive down, maybe three waves up. I personally am not trading it to the short side because it's kind of an unreliable trade because it could just keep on going up pretty easily. But it seems to me like it potentially could go down to like the 61 to the 78% fib retracement, and maybe this is like a wave one, wave two, and then maybe tomorrow's non-farm payroll news is what's going to cause this to go up and make a big old wave three and start taking out some of these structures. It's because, like I said, whatever's going to happen over the next 24 hours is very likely setting itself up for the news. So, for me personally, I don't really think it's worth trying to sort it because, like I said, it's a little unreliable because it could just keep on going up because we're bullish. But it seems more likely to me that it is going to go down and that this is an A, this is like three waves of B and this is a C. Maybe go down and take out this low, maybe even take out this low before we get like a break to the upside tomorrow and hopefully the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.